Here's how to add alt text to images in Shopify. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. The first thing you have to do is to open your Shopify store. Now you have to click on the Product button, which is on the left side of the screen. After selecting products, you can tap on the product that you would like to add alt text to those images. For example, this one right here. After you have selected the product, just scroll down and you will see here your product photo. Just click here. Next window will look like this. To add alt text, in the right-hand column you will see the option Add alt text, then click on Add alt text. Here you can write a brief description of the file for people with visual impairment or low bandwidth connections, and then just click on Save Alt Text button. So in this way you can easily add alt text to images in Shopify.